Alright, yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kersey. So, this is proof that you can use cherry mix red switches on the RedDragon K552 or 1. So, these are cherry mix reds. So, I'm gonna just do a sound test real quick, then I'm in the video, bro. Because I've been doing a lot of research on these, and everybody's been saying that you can't use them. So, I just bought them and just didn't care. So here's the sound test. So I only bought 10 and I'm gonna prove that they all work. So I'm finna open up a text document on my monitor. So here's 13WE D-A, this is shift, so let me just do A and shift, CV, space bar. So yeah, this is proof that the key switches work on this keyboard for all the people who said it doesn't work. And yeah, I mean, it was kind of hard to put in, but all you do is just apply a whole bunch of force and it goes in pretty easy, bro.
That was so clean. Oh shit! Oh, you're fucking me up, and you're on 30 FPS.